Hi, it's Graham and Joe and Harry here from OZLAPN. Thought we'd do a small podcast as our plans have actually changed. We'd planned to do a trip around Australia like quite a few people had, and obviously that's changed. So we just thought that we'd stay home. We're very concerned about what's happening with the virus, with family, friends, everybody else in the whole world who's been affected, both with health as well as the economical changes that we all have to work through. So we've decided to stay home, self-isolate, and do this move in the backyard.
And we're missing out on the kids. We can't go and see them. Just have to do videos and phone calls like everyone else. But as long as we all get through it.
Yeah, I'm sure we will, hopefully, if we all follow the rules. So we decided to probably change our name from OZLAPing to Backyard Lapping until we're allowed to go out again. We're in Victoria. We've got stage 3 lockdown at the moment. We actually like the series of Grey Nomad car sales short films, so we've decided to...
And did you look like one of them?
And I look like one of them. It's a bit scary actually. Yeah, it is a bit scary. Anyway, Harry's going to go for a walk now. Anyway, so we're going to have a bit of a play there. We'll do a short film in our backyard. We're probably good contenders for the Razzie Award. If you get at least one smile, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And the main thing is, guys, stay home, stay safe, and we can work through it. Graham and Joe, OZLAPN.
Hope you enjoy it.
Yep, see ya.
See ya.
What the hell's going on? It's only 6 AM. I know we have to stay at home due to the situation at the moment, but can't you do it at a decent hour?
We really need to get up bright and early each morning and get a routine going and keep busy.
You give it a rest at the moment. It's hard enough me staying in the van while you and Harry are up in the house while we try to keep isolated.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I know what's wrong. You're missing on going to Aldi 3 or 4 times every day. Once a week is enough.
How about we go fishing and have a barbecue? I can go down to Aldi and get the steaks.
Alright. Just this once. Okay?
Hey Joe, so our adventure today is to go fishing. Let's go and see if we can find somewhere to fish. When we're stuck in the backyard and we can't go and do any recreational fishing, this is just going to have to do.
We need to be cleaning around a beach or a river. Who knows what we'll catch?
I don't know what we'll catch, especially when we haven't got any line on our rods. We'll give it a go anyway, I reckon.
I think you've got something.
Whoa! Whoa!
What is it?
It's I don't know what it is. I'll have to check this one out. Wow! Looks like I've got a catfish. deep water hole here. There's a bit of green, blue-green algae around, but we'll just see what we do here. I'll try a bit of fishing first. I'll just have a go with the fishing rod. I'll just throw that out. Yeah, no, I don't think there's any fish here. I reckon that catfish I caught in that billabong was the only catfish around. So I've got a couple of nets in the water. I'll just see if I've got anything in my nets. Oh, it's actually feeling quite heavy. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Well, I can tell that this one here is a little bit too small, so he's going to go back. This one here is a bit small too, so he's going back. Now I've got to measure these ones here because you've always got to make sure that you've got the right size. Yep, he's a keeper. He's going to be for dinner tonight. And this one here, well, that's pretty close. Yeah, it's just over. And I can tell that it's 3-ply from Aldi, so it's actually not too bad. He's a keeper too, so we'll probably have a couple of meals there. Well, that was good. I'll just chuck it out one more time and see if I can actually get one last go, because this seems to be quite a good spot here. So I'll just chuck that in. Whoa. Now, I'm only leaving in for a small while because I am. Oh, wow, this is freaking heavy. Oh, look at the size of this one. It's freaking huge. I've never seen one that big before. I reckon I'll tell you what, they'll be sharing that with the neighbours. That is huge. What a great day. What a great day, great fishing. One catfish. 2 smaller size ones and 1 freaking monster. Yep, well I better go. It's starting to get a bit rough in here. The wind's starting to blow up a bit. I think I better start rowing before I get lost out at sea and have to use my life jacket. Putting some snags in the garden, mate.
Don't burn yourself.
You, me, a Shardy, a Barbie. What else can we ask for?
Well, cheers, mate.
Cheers, Joanne. OZLAPN.
As good as we get.
Yep. In our backyard.
In our backyard.
So putting some Barbies.
Some Barbies. What are you putting Barbies? What are you putting on the Barbies? I'll have to say it loud enough.
I'll turn it on.